Meaning of hysterical.
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 Hysterical. The word hysterical typically refers to a state of extreme emotional or physical excitement. It is commonly used to describe a person who is overcome with strong, often irrational feelings such as fear, laughter, or crying. When someone is described as hysterical, they may be perceived as being out of control or irrational due to their intense emotions. This term can also be used more broadly to describe situations that are marked by chaos or confusion. Overall, the term hysterical conveys a sense of overwhelming intensity and emotional turmoil.